Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about mother-daughter wounds and their effects. So a daughter-mother wound is the emotional pain, the trauma or hurt that stems from the relationship between a mother and her daughter. And this wound is often created when a daughter doesn't receive the emotional nurturing, the support or affirmation she needs growing up. It could be the result of the mother's own unresolved traumas or struggles, leading her to project her pain onto her daughter. And this dynamic can leave lasting scars on the daughter, and it can shape her emotional health, self worth, and future relationships. For many daughters, their mother is the first and most influential figure in their lives. She's their teacher, the role model, the protector, and support system. We are not leaving the fathers out because they also have these responsibilities, but because of the topic I'm discussing, that is why I'm emphasizing on mothers. So, when a mother is caught up in her own pain or overwhelmed by her responsibilities, she might unknowingly hurt her daughter with harsh words, neglect, or lack of emotional availability. The effects of the daughter mother wound are deep and long lasting because when a daughter grows up feeling unloved or unsupported or emotionally rejected by a mother, it can impact her ability to trust, feel confident, and develop healthy relationships later in life. And there are some ways it manifests. If a mother frequently criticizes or dismisses her daughter's feelings, the daughter may grow up believing that she is not good enough, and hurtful words from her mother can make her feel unworthy, and it can lead to insecurities in adulthood. It can also make the daughter find it difficult to express her emotions because a daughter who was told to stop crying, don't talk back, may struggle to express her emotions as an adult. She may have learned to suppress her feelings, believing that showing vulnerability leads to rejection or punishment. It also comes with the fear of rejection because having been shut down or dismissed by a mother, the daughter may avoid asking for help or expressing her needs in relationships. She fears being rejected or not heard, just as she was with her mother. And this can make her overly independent or lead to her settling for unhealthy relationships, and where in that kind of relationship she can even tolerate mistreatment just because she wants to feel loved. Many daughters affected by this wound may not have fond childhood memories. Instead, they recall moments of tension or emotional disconnection. These painful memories can be buried deep in the subconscious, but triggers in adulthood can bring them to surface, causing emotional distress. Daughters who lack emotional support may try to earn love and validation by becoming perfectionists or people pleasers. They might overextend themselves to be liked, fearing that they are never enough, just as they felt in their relationship with their mothers. The daughter relationship with the mother is often the blueprint for future relationships. So if trust and emotional safety were missing in this bond, the daughter may struggle to trust other people. She'll always keep her guard up, and alternatively, she becomes too dependent on anyone who shows her care. Unresolved pain from childhood can play out in romantic relationships, friendships, and even at work. The mother also suffers from this broken bond. She may feel guilt, shame, or regret for how she treated her daughter, but sometimes or many times finds it difficult to express those feelings or even apologize. Many mothers are unaware of the impact their words or actions have on their daughters because they are consumed by their own unresolved trauma or life struggles. They may unintentionally pass their hurt and pain, and this creates a circle of emotional wounds across generations. Mothers might also have their own wounds from their relationships with their mothers. This can make it even hard for them to know how to nurture their daughters properly. So, without healing, the mother can perpetuate the same hurt she experienced, believing that strictness, silence, or emotional distance is necessary for raising strong daughters. Healing is possible for both daughter and mother. It often starts with open, honest communication and a willingness to acknowledge the hurt. And healing can begin by first having a heartfelt apology, because sometimes all a daughter needs is for her mother to acknowledge that the hurtful words or actions. A simple, sincere apology can be incredibly healing. It tells the daughter that her feelings were valid and the pain was recognized. This can open the door to trust. For mothers and daughters, we need to understand that our actions may be shaped by unresolved trauma from previous generation. And so by addressing this, we can stop passing down these emotional wounds and start a new cycle of healing and love. Mothers can offer emotional support by listening to their daughter's pain without judgment. For daughters, understanding that their mother may have acted out of their own pain can help foster empathy and compassion, even if it doesn't excuse the hurts. For daughters, healing starts with self love and connecting with the parts of themselves that they might have lost in the childhood. It's about acknowledging that the pain they experienced wasn't their fault and that they are worthy of love, support, and happiness. Crying and allowing oneself to feel the pain is part of the healing process. And as it is reconnecting with their inner child, the carefree, the adventurous, the creative parts of them that have been buried. As part of the healing process, I believe that inviting the Holy Spirit to work on our hearts can bring comfort and guidance. Prayer and reflections can help both mother and daughter seek peace and transformation from God. And with God's help, deep wounds can heal and relationships can be restored. If you feel you need help to heal, please don't hesitate to ask for professional support. It is important for us young mothers raising daughters to be mindful of our words and actions. We can correct our children, but it should be in love and without projecting our own frustrations onto them. Children are incredibly sensitive, and hurtful words can deeply affect them. It's okay to apologize when we make a mistake. Saying I'm sorry doesn't make us weak. It shows our children that they are human and we respect their emotions. So we need to stop the transfer of trauma from generation to generation. Instead, we need to start raising emotionally healthy daughters who feel valued, loved, and secure in themselves. These daughters grow up to become strong, confident women who don't have to hide their pain or doubt their self love. The daughter mother relationship is a deep and profound connection. If it is nurtured well, it can be a source of strength and love. But when there is emotional disconnection or unresolved trauma, it can lead to wounds that impact both the daughter and mother for a lifetime. Through open communication, empathy, and healing, both the mother and daughter can find peace. And if this video resonates with you, Please like, share to anyone who will be blessed by it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.